This means my water is going to boil to make my coffee. While I wait, I prepare 2 cups of water every day. Some days it's just 2 plain cups of water. I try to drink that during the day. But today it's 1 plain cup of water and 1 cup of lemon water. And I will drink that. By 2 o'clock, I'll fill up 2 more plain cups of water. It depends how thirsty I am for the day. I will do that. While all of this is happening, I have an eye mask on. I use them every now and then. I'll put them on. One time I'll do it like every other day, and then another time I'll do it whenever I remember. So today I remember, so I'm doing a blue. That's my water boiling eye patch. I'm going to make some coffee today. After I make my coffee, it will be breakfast time, and then I'm closer to the door so you can see the eye patch that I have. This is it. Trying to get my under eye to look a little decent today. Lack of sleep. I don't even know what time I fall asleep, I wake up. It's just what it is. I haven't had moisturizer yet, you see, I'm sweating. But after my 15 minutes of the eye patch, then I will put moisturizer on. But this is what my skin looks like. I am getting ready to have my breakfast. What am I having today? Light off, water finished boiling. I unplugged it. I'm using my Javi liquid coffee today. I'm going to make some oatmeal. I don't measure, I just pour oatmeal until I think I have enough. Now I'll put some water in there. It has water. I'm gonna put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. Heavy coffee, I just eyeball it. Now it's done. I put a little bit of cinnamon and a little bit of ginger. I'm having my coffee black today. Then I mix it. Now I'm pouring some silk milk in there and I mix it up. This is what it looks like, and I sprinkle a dash of cinnamon on there. And this is what I'm going to have for breakfast. So my breakfast is oatmeal with cinnamon and ginger and soy vanilla milk, black coffee, and then I'll take my calcium. This is what I'm having for breakfast. When I take these little blue eye patches off, they have no more serum on them, and under my eyes are well hydrated. And even though I have that there, I always put eye cream, always. Like, I will stretch my legs this way or that way. And sometimes I just go like this for a couple times, maybe sometimes 10, sometimes 5, it depends. And then I'll go like this. Remember to breathe when you do any type of exercise, and I'll do that. Okay, we're gonna continue. I did my makeup and now I am getting ready to cook. It's late afternoon. I have the chicken soaking in some lime water. I cut a lime and squeeze it and it's soaking. It's chicken backs. I have my peeler, I have my potatoes, I have my onion, I have my garlic. I get this polo bouillon, carrots, some I'd already saved from the last. I'd shred some carrots for salad, so this I saved. So all of this is gonna go in one pot to make a nice little soup. I have no noodles, that's okay. This is my chicken seasoned, chicken backs. My potatoes, I'm gonna cut them in half. I don't want to cut them too small. My carrots, my garlic, and my onions. And on the stove, I have a little bit of olive oil in a pot. Let it get warm so I can stew the chicken a little with the onion and the garlic. And then I'll put everything with water so it can make a soup. This is what left out of my lemon water. I'm drinking it. Now it's done. Time to put chicken in the pan. I'm going to put the chicken in the oil and you will hear the noise. This is the chicken doing its thing. Chicken on the fire, carrots in, onion is in. I cover it till it simmer a little while I cut my potatoes in half. This side of my kitchen is very dark because we have the door that's almost done, but we cannot get it wet, and we pull the shutters behind it so it makes it very dark, but soon we'll have a lot of light. I'm going to cut my potatoes in half. I don't want to make them too small because while it's cooking, I don't want it to become like mashed potato. It's a soup, but not that kind of soup, you know. My mom used to make that for us, especially on a Sunday. She would make a nice big soup, and she would put yams and tanya and potatoes and green banana and green plantain, and that would be good. But I don't have all of that. I only have potatoes and carrots, so I'm going to use that. She used to use bell peppers, carrots, green onions, you name it. Whatever it is that was going to make that pot enough for everybody to eat, that's what she did. Now my potatoes are cut. I cut them in half and then half again. So I'm going to put them in the pot. This is what my pot is looking like right now. I'll add the water soon. Now I put water in here, and this is the garlic I'm going to put in here. Everything is looking good. And now I'm going to take this and I'm going to put a little bit on there. This amount. Beautiful soup. Now I'll cover it and let it boil. This is the bowl for the soup. And this is the soup. And this is the time, 5:12. Soup is done. And I'm going to put it in a bowl. Time to scoop the soup. This looks so good. I know it tastes good. My potatoes. Now I go for the sauce. That's what makes the soup. And this is what I'm going to enjoy. This is a spoon. You know how we eat food? It's always hot and we gotta blow on the food. I have a little piece of carrot, so I don't want to burn myself. Well seasoned. This is good. Okay, a little piece of the potato, and then I'll let it cool off. Another piece, a little piece of potato. I gotta blow it so it can cool off. Good. Thank you all again for watching and spending most of my day with me, and I appreciate that very much. And remember, you are worthy. You are amazing. Bye everyone. I'm gonna go enjoy this soup. Bye bye.